All right, hey guys. So I'm gonna just show you a couple things that you can do on this website to do your career research project. So you're gonna pick a career, and you can either choose from this list, or you can search them alphabetically. So I want to be a teacher, so I'm clicking education, and then you're gonna get a few options of what you want to do. So I'm gonna go down and be a special education teacher. So then you need to come here, and this is what you're just going to take some notes on in the first section, in this career section. So just instruction. Number 2, you're going to go to this website and you're going to read and take notes in the summary section. Section 3, what do they do? So you're going to go back to that website, and it's this tab here. So you click what do they do. Here's all this stuff you're going to read. You're going to summarize. Step 4, work environment. So again, you're going to go back to this website. Click work environment. If you are on your own personal computer, you can leave this website up. It might make your life easier. If not, I've given you the website for every day to use. So day 5, click there, click on your website. Again, we'll go to education. We don't want that. I want to be, what did I say, special education teacher. And today we're doing how to become one. So I'm going to go to how to become one, and I'm going to read it. And then I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to summarize it and then give my second set of information that reflect and explain. If you have any questions about it, you can definitely ask, send me a message on Schoology, see what's going on. But there are 9 sections. Each day is a section, guys. Don't feel overwhelmed. If you have any questions, please let me know.